mantra of the merit and virtue of the past vows of Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata. They write down the names of their enemies and make images of them, and then they hex those names and images with evil mantras. They summon paralysis ghosts, cast hexes, or command corpse-raising ghosts to kill or injure their enemies. However, if the victims hear the name of Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata, then all those evil things will lose their power to do harm. The evildoers will become kind to one another. They will attain benefit, peace, and happiness, and no longer cherish thoughts of malice, affliction, or enmity. Everyone will rejoice and feel content with what they have. Instead of encroaching upon each other, they will seek to benefit one another. Moreover, Manjushri, there may be those among the fourfold assembly of bhikshus, bhikshunis, upasakas, and upasikas, as well as other good men and women of pure faith, who accept and uphold the 8 precepts either for 1 year or for 3 months, practicing and studying them. With these good roots, they may vow to be born in the western land of ultimate bliss, where the Buddha of limitless life dwells, to hear the proper Dharma, but their resolve may not be firm. However, if they hear the name of the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata, then as the end of their lives draws near, before them will appear 8 great bodhisattvas, whose names are Manjushri Bodhisattva, the Bodhisattva who observes the sounds of the world, Great Strength Bodhisattva, Inexhaustible Intention Bodhisattva, Jeweled Udumbara Flower Bodhisattva, Medicine King Bodhisattva, Medicine Superior Bodhisattva, and Maitreya Bodhisattva. Those 8 great bodhisattvas will appear in space to show them the way, and they will naturally be born by transformation in that land, amid precious flowers of a myriad colors. Or they may be born in the heavens due to this cause. Although reborn in the heavens, their original good roots will not be exhausted, and so they will not fall into the evil destinies again. When their life in the heavens ends, they will be born among people again. They may be wheel-turning kings, reigning over the 4 continents with awesome virtue and ease, bringing uncountable hundreds of thousands of living beings to abide in the practice of the 10 good deeds. Or they may be born as kshatriyas, brahmins, laymen, or sons of honorable families. They will be wealthy, with storehouses filled to overflowing. Handsome in appearance, they will be surrounded by a great retinue of relatives.